There is a camp out there, a group of people, probably a fairly large group of people, that believe that Bitcoin's going to crash. And I think that they are completely wrong. I'm going out on a limb here, if you will, because I don't agree. Okay. And I thought that this tweet from Bitcoin Archive, love their ex Twitter account, by the way, so give them a follow, is where is the Bitcoin price crash people are talking about? And I'm like, there is so many videos in this alone. There's people out there, a lot of them, and I know that there are people that are overall bearish and things of that nature that think that Bitcoin's going to crash. And I simply disagree. Well, Austin, yeah, but Bitcoin's moved back. It's moved. Yeah, I know it's moved back. See here in the upper right-hand corner, I've got these two lines moving down, and it's highlighted in a green circle. Yeah, I know we've moved off of our all-time high, by the way, that we set 2 days ago, right? Okay, so Bitcoin's moved down to 67 and change. Okay, buying opportunity, in my opinion. I am a significant Bitcoin bull because I think that it's just, there's too much going for it, right? Bitcoin ETFs just getting started. That engine hasn't even really ramped up yet. That's buying pressure, billions and tens of billions, if not some days, hundreds of billions of dollars of Bitcoin positive buying pressure every single day. Okay. Oh, by the way, that little thing called the Bitcoin halving that's out there coming in April, 20-ish year or so. And all of the previous Bitcoin halving cycles show that we're going to have a little bit of a pullback leading into a Bitcoin halving. And then after that, we're going to have a little bit of a consolidation period, but we're going to start to see Bitcoin peak. We will see Bitcoin hitting $180,000, $200,000 by the end of the third quarter, maybe even the beginning of the fourth quarter of 2024, definitely rolling into the first quarter of 2025. Bitcoin's not going to crash. It's not going anywhere. And they're completely wrong, I think, when the people who think that there is a price crash coming. And by the way, on a side note, if Bitcoin goes down to 20,000, 30,000, let's just say, for discussion's sake, it happens. I don't care. I will be buying. If I have the opportunity to buy more Bitcoin at 30,000, 40,000, whatever that number is, I'm buying because I believe fundamentally in this one question. And I've posed this to you guys before. Here's the question. Okay. Ask yourself this question. Let me give you a frame of reference. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This number right here. Let me show you. This number right here, the entire crypto market capitalization of $2.540 trillion. That's the number I want you to focus on. And I want to ask yourself a question. Here's the question. Do you believe that at some point in the next year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, whatever that time frame is for you, sorry, my left eye is itching. Do you believe that number is going to get bigger? Do you believe that that number is going to be 3 trillion, 4, 5, 6, 7 trillion dollars? Yes or no? And if the answer is no, then you're probably in the wrong place. You don't need to be in crypto at all. If the answer is yes, that's it. Because if you think the crypto market's going to get bigger, if you think that the entire crypto market's going to get bigger, and by the way, right there, Bitcoin makes up 52%. That number right there, Bitcoin makes up 52% of that. 52% of that number is Bitcoin. So if you believe fundamentally in the question I have you answer, do you believe that the entire crypto market's going to get bigger? 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 trillion, whatever the number is, buying Bitcoin at 20,000, 30,000. If it does go down, which I don't think it will, I'm in. What do you think? It's as simple as that for me. Because I view Bitcoin as long-term investment. I short-term trade it. I buy and sell it. I'll tell you exactly how I do that. I buy and sell using my own trading indicator right here. Like, see this green one right here? So where the circle says momentum up, buy, sell. 48 days, 76%. If you bought $2,000 worth of Bitcoin 48 days ago, you had made over $1,500 in profit. So I short to midterm trade Bitcoin off of my own trading indicator. By the way, links in the description below if you want to pick it up. It's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. There's a discount code down there. My software costs like $1 a day. That's it. Okay. And then I have a long-term bag that I hold, and I am buying Bitcoin every day for my long-term bags. And if we get a price move down to 30,000, 40, 50, whatever it is, I am going to be loading up. Just me. It's my 2 cents. This is not investing advice. You got to do what's right for you. All right. I feel like I kind of ranted there for a little bit, but you get my point. They are completely wrong. Go back to this. I'm going to go back to this tweet. They are completely wrong. I think the people that are looking for a Bitcoin price crash, I think they're out there smoking something. I just do. But okay, I'm willing to give them a little bit of benefit of the doubt. And if we do see Bitcoin go down, that's not a problem for me. It's not. I was buying Bitcoin when it was $16,000. I was. And there was a lot of people who are like, it's going to go to 6. It's going to go to 8. I wish it would have. Would have bought it lower. Thanks for your time. I appreciate you. I'll see you.